have to put him up here on me, Mama. Hey. What you doing? Oh, my goodness. Look at that over there. His feet are freezing. Look at that over there. Grab her, Nanny. Look at that over there. That baby. That baby. Look.
Evan.
Look what Nanny got. Look.
Evan, look.
Look.
Looky here.
Look. Oh.
What is it?
Say, bring her a little closer, Nanny. Is that baby?
Is it a baby?
Is that a baby? What do you think? Oh, my goodness. Say, hey, baby Isabel.
What do you think? What about it? Did you know this is your baby? Huh? You want to see her? You want to give her a kissy?
Say, hey, baby.
Give her sugar. Give her sugar. No way.
No way, Evan. Yeah.
What about this baby? You like her?
She's pretty, ain't she? Yeah.
She got her little eyes open. You want to see her little eyes open? Looky there. She's looking around.
Oh, what is it, baby? I know. The big ol' hugs.
See her?
And a baby. Yeah, a baby. Hey, baby. That's that little baby.
You want to love her? Want to love her? Oh, wait.
No way. Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby.